Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add your Instagram link to your WhatsApp. So to do this, you just need to go to your WhatsApp, open WhatsApp, and after that, go and click on the three dots on the top of the screen. And after that, click on settings, and after that go and click on your name or a picture, and as you can see the last option is add links. Click on it, and here as you can see there is this Instagram option. Click on it, and here tap your username, your Instagram username. For example, for me this is my Instagram username, and click on save. And as you can see, it tells you your link is added to your profile. And like that, your contact can easily visit your other profiles on social media. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.